Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna change my nail form to a ballerina, and I'm gonna do my nails with regular polish. I'm cutting the top off. I'm gonna straighten it like this. I'm trimming it a little bit. And I'm gonna file it off. Many people say we should move the file in one direction, but I move the file both directions. This is Anna. She's a professional nail technician living in Spain. According to her, moving a file in both directions is no problem. I respect her so much that I believe almost everything she says. I think ballerina nails are so cute, but I had one problem with that form. I tend to scratch my body while I'm sleeping, and this part leaves some scratches on my body, so I have to get rid of it. This looks so dangerous. This is not completely symmetric, but it's okay. I'm happy enough. So now I have all my nails in ballerina shape, and I painted nail envy once. The ring fingernail and the middle fingernail look so different in the shape. Well, it's okay. I'm gonna be using these two mainly. It's a Japanese series called PA. They're available at drugstores in Japan. This beige one has really fine glitters or poly particles in it. It's so beautiful. The poly particles are gold. It looks so nice. It doesn't show much on the screen though. Oh, it's so easy to paint a nail wall like this. I'm painting the pinky with a pink one. This pink has a slightly bluish shade in it, and it has blue and pink poly particles. Now I'm painting the ring finger with a beige one. I'm painting the middle finger with beige. I'm painting the index finger with a pink one. I painted all the fingers with just one coat. I'm gonna dry it for 7 minutes. Now I'm doing the second coat with the beige. I love finishing off the nail wall like this with a ballerina shape. The second pink application to the pinky. I'm working on a plastic food container. I'm using my right finger's pinky to support the hand. I didn't realize what I'm doing with the pinky until now. Now I'm painting the middle finger. Oops, I put too much polish on the brush. It will take a longer time to dry this finger. How much polish you take on the brush is so important. And I did again, too much polish, oops. I let it dry for 7 minutes. This is Japanese nail polish. It's called Paradu Mini Nail Series. I'm gonna use it for the pink ones. It's got silver glitters in it. I need to move the glitters and sparse them nicely. The index finger. I was able to make a nice glitter gradient. I'm gonna stamp on the ring finger. Have a stamper and a scraper ready on the table. I got this stamping polish at Walmart in Hawaii. This is my first time to use Bon Pretty's scraper. Let's see. It worked really well. Bon Pretty's nail lacquer. You can find it on their official website by searching non-smudge top coat. This works really well. It doesn't smudge at all. And so far, I haven't found any separation from the color polish or the top coat. When it's dry, I'm gonna paint a top coat. After cleaning the excess nail polish on my skin with a toothpick, I clean the toothpick on the silicone mat. After letting them dry for 30 minutes, I'm going to go to bed. Good morning. I got some teeny tiny bubbles on my thumbnail and it looks really rough, but I think I can fix it with top coat. Now I'm gonna use nail art stickers. I just want a short straight line. Putting a nail sticker with tweezers is kind of difficult for me, so I'm gonna use a stamper. Actually, I shouldn't be touching it with my hand. Leaving some oil from your finger is not a good idea. Now I'm gonna stamp the sticker on my nail. I'm making sure it's stuck well. I'm transferring too much oil on the sticker. I don't really like the teeny tiny gap on the nail tip, so I'm gonna use Bon Pretty's stamping polish. I'm gonna do the same thing on the ring finger and the middle finger. I wonder if this is working well or not. Well, it looks nice. I'm gonna apply top coat. I want to tilt the bottle a little bit. I'm gonna use blue tack. It holds really well. But I'm not sure if cheap version of blue tack works well or not. Blue tack is kind of hard. It's not too soft, so it holds things really well. After applying the top coat, I'll let it dry for 6 hours, at least. And I'm going to apply top coat too, séché vite. I have to tilt this one too. Since the séché vite brush is pretty small, I have to put it in the bottle after every application. When I'm finished with séché, I'm finished with the whole nail art. So this is a final look. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. I just really like this ballerina form. If I don't get scratches from these nails, I think I'll keep this ballerina form a little bit longer. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you later!